Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I am just busy sitting knitting a little bit of this cardigan here. But I was on this morning, I was doing crochet, and I was using this 4mm hook. And I think I had a message or something on my phone and I put the work down, because I thought I'd put the hook down there. I don't know what happened with it, but afterwards I could not find that hook anywhere. I searched for an hour. I had everything off this couch. I pulled every single thing off, the cushion off and everything off. I have a like a stool underneath one of those tables, this table here that I have my computer on. I have a stool underneath it, and I have a one of those little stands that makes a tray, so I put things on top of there and things underneath it and things on top of my table here. I searched everything, I pulled everything to bits everywhere. I was underneath the couch because there's a gap underneath, and I could not find that hook anywhere. And I searched for an hour. It was actually 12:30. I had just finished. I was going to I had a message on my phone, and I was looking at the message, and then I was going to go down and do my lunch, which was 12:30. But I searched for an hour before I found that hook. You'll never believe where I actually found it, but I'm going to tell you a little bit. I have a few little bag things with all old needles, hooks and everything in, but this is where I keep most of my hooks now. The ones I use all the time are in here. Searched in there, the hook, I thought, oh, you know, I know for a fact I hadn't put it in there, but I searched just in case. Could not find it anywhere. And then I have my other bag here where I keep other bits and pieces in, you know, the stitch markers and stitch holders and things like that, and in there, and it wasn't in there. I searched everywhere. The table, which I knew I hadn't put it there because I hadn't moved over there, I hadn't moved off the couch. And in the end, I'm looking through my bag and I had another, that is a 4.5mm hook. And I didn't think I had another one in that bag, but I had a look just in case. No, there wasn't one in there. So I dragged out one of the little cases I had underneath there that I knew there was some old hooks in and knitting needles and things like that. So I was sitting on the floor, hunting through all of them, sorting out all the hooks, trying to see if I could find another 4.5 in there, because I couldn't finish what I was doing. I needed the 4.5 hook. I have bags on the floor. I even have a bin where any rubbish goes in, my sweet papers and anything. I emptied that. And it's right over by the radiator. I wouldn't have put it there, but I just could not believe that that hook had disappeared. But anyway, I was sitting on the floor looking through this case, and I did find two other hooks with 4.5 on. They were like the grey ones, like the arrow, but they weren't arrow because there was no name on them. So I just thought to myself, well, I'll put them in my bag, in my little hook bag. They're only little ones because there's not a lot of room left in that little bag. I need to make another one because I have some bigger hooks that don't fit in there. Even if I could get them in, they don't fit, they're too long. So anyway, I got up off the floor and I put my foot on the floor, and my foot felt like the lining inside my slipper had moved, and it was sort of underneath. I could feel it underneath my foot. So I took the slipper off, but before I took the slipper off, I'm thinking to myself, it cannot be. But you know, when I took my slipper off there, that hook was inside my slipper. How on earth it got in, I do not know. I mean, my slipper, I didn't have my slippers off, so But it must have somehow went in the side of my slipper and I hadn't noticed, and then it must have just worked its way underneath. But mind, I did wash that hook again before I used it, because I have got sweaty feet and I had no socks on in my slipper. So I thought, I'm not using that hook again till I wash it. So that was an hour wasted. If only I'd taken my slipper off, but I never felt it in my slipper at all. It's not a very, you know, big, and it's quite flat in places. The part where you hold it there's flat and it's not very big, but with it not bending, I thought I would have felt it in my foot, but I didn't. Even when I was sitting on the floor, I had my foot sort of bent up like, but it must have just slipped lengthwise down and didn't make any difference how I bent my foot. I didn't feel it. I just cannot believe some of these things. But anyway, I'm on to the other front. I've done the left front on this cardigan. I'm doing the right front now. And I was just doing a little bit video showing some of the crochet, because I'm seeing I finished the notion pouch, the outside of the pouch. I'm going to put it on my crochet channel because I need things to show on there, and a blanket that I started. But you know, it's another one of those dark, miserable days. I was trying to do a little bit video on my phone to show what I was doing with the crochet, and when it's dark I have to put the light on, and the light on, it doesn't matter where I stand around my table, the light casts my shadow over what I'm doing, so there's a little bit of a shadow on. I tried to stay as far back as I could when I was talking what I was doing and that, but I just hate these dark, horrible dark days. I think most people do in this country. We're always moan about the weather. At least when it was snowing, it was bright, it was white, made the place, brighten the place up a little bit. So that's how much I've just started on the other front. And I've done a little bit more on my, if I can find it in the bag here. I'm doing this of a night time. I should be knitting my own cardigan, but I'm doing this of a night time because I want to get it finished, and that's how much I did last night. I put a stitch marker in so I can, gives me an idea how much I've actually knitted, because it's hard to work out when you're just doing one full length like this. So I put a stitch marker in, and that gives me an idea how much I've actually done. But I can tell just by putting it around my neck like how much I've done, because I know where it come to the last time. I'll put it down there. It is getting longer. It just needs to be a little longer because it's for a child. It's not for an adult. So I'll probably come to about here. So I need to do about that much more on it. And then I'll put the pom-poms on, and I'll do a little pom-pom hat to go with it as well. So that's how much I've done on that, and I haven't done anything on anything else yet. But I think I'm going to have to make myself, put that in the bag down there, myself another one of these little, this is a little, the one I hold my little 50-gram balls in. I have a set I did for myself some time ago, which was 3 balls. One was supposed to be for a 50, one for 100 and one for a 200. But the 51 was a lot bigger than this, and while I do a lot of these, that was a 50-gram ball, the crochet is a 50-gram ball, and I was having to keep swapping, changing. I'm going to have to do myself another small one like that for putting the 50-gram balls in, because even the big balls, the bigger ones, when I make them into cakes, they fit in the 100-gram one, but when I finish like the back or something, I'll wind it again to make it smaller, to fit into the smaller bowl, because the smaller the bowl, it keeps it tight and it stops it from getting all loose inside. So I'm going to make myself another smaller one of that, because I only have the one, because I was having to chop and change this with the green that I was doing for the pouch and that, and and then I end up with this old rubble because I kept taking it out. So anyway, that's what I've been doing, and like I'm saying, I'll be doing a little bit more of the scarf and the hat. Maybe I might get it finished tonight. But I have had one or two on my newest pattern. I think I've had 2 people have finished. I think it's been a 16 and an 18 inch. It's my phone there, I've just sold something. The 16 and the 18 inch, I think I've had completely finished and never found any faults. So that's just my little bit for today. So hopefully I'll be getting more emails in and telling me whether I've found any other faults with the pattern. But they weren't just faults, they were just things that just a little thing where I had missed one of the, I think on the right front where you have 5 sizes of 16 to 24, and I had missed to cast off the number of stitches to start the armhole on the 24 inch. That was just something, I think I'd been typing that much, I just forgot one of them. So I'll put that right, and then I'll get the PDF sorted out again, and I'll keep writing, keep changing things on the PDF that I have, the text that I write it on. I just keep changing things now and again if anyone tells me anything. And then when I think it's okay, I'll put it through the PDF maker and make the proper PDF again. So that's my little bit for today. Another dark, miserable day. So thumbs up and subscribe. Bye for now.